Today, we're going to be talking about URL redirects. Now, the typical use for URL redirects is usually to maintain your search engine optimization or SEO with Google while ensuring that your customers don't hit an error 404 page. So let's go into how to actually do this. So I want to go to Online Store, Navigation, and then underneath the navigation title, I actually have the link to go to URL redirects. Now we have two options here. We can create a individual direct redirect, or I can do them en masse using a CSV file. For now, let's just do a single one. Now, let's say for example that we have a product here that was called Red Summer Shoes. But let's say that we have deleted that product and instead we've renamed this product simply just Red Shoes. So I might want to insert that redirect there, even though I've created the new product, so that if, for example, a customer has bookmarked this particular product, or you just simply want to ensure that Google maintains its SEO, then this is probably your best way of going about it. So let's go ahead and save that redirect. When we go back to URL redirects, we can see that we have that redirect from our Red Summer Shoes to simply Red Shoes. Now let's say that we have a large number of URL redirects that we're hoping to add to our store. In this case, we're going to want to use the other function, which is import. Now, you can actually click on CSV template here to download an example template of what Shopify will understand. Here is that template downloaded and opened in Excel. You can see that it goes from one product to adding the /products in front of that. So perhaps you've exported a whole bunch of URLs from your previous store on a different platform, or from products you've deleted or changed names. Then you can do it this way. In this example here, I've included my old URLs, and I've actually used a formula so that I can add /products at the start of each of these, and it just helps expedite all those new URLs. Back in our store, I'm going to choose that file that I uploaded. Now that it's been added to Shopify, I can click the upload file. I can see that it has 4 redirects, and here are a couple examples of them. And I want to click on Import Redirects. So you can see that all those new URL redirects have now been added to the list there. Just know that sometimes it takes a little bit of time for Shopify to actually show the redirects, so you might not see them right away. There you go. That's everything you need to know about URL redirects and how to create them. Looking to improve your store? Hire a Geek. We offer individual store optimizations, one-on-one training, as well as workshops. Check out the description below for more information.